guys, this is an unboxing plus how to use. So we're gonna unbox this and then teach you how to get this working. So it is a fingerprint lock. You guys can see it's weatherproof and all that stuff. There's not much information around the box though. So let's just open it up. Inside the box, we do get a manual. So here's the manual, very basic stuff. So you guys are gonna see exactly how to use this. Also, here's the lock. And we should see a cable back here. Here we go. So we've got an emergency key, which can be useful. And here's the cable that we need. Most of you have cables like this already. So right now you're taking a look at the three main things you guys get inside the box. I'm just gonna do a quick close-up of the cable itself so you guys know what I'm talking about. It's just your normal cable. And here we go, we have the lock. So on the bottom, well, let me just show you around it. That's for your fingerprint. Around there's nothing else. You can get smudged up pretty easily though. And it is nice looking though. It's a nice looking lock. Anyways, just open this up so you guys can see. That's where you guys would charge it. And you would charge it with this. You can plug it into your computer, or if you guys have a brick of some kind that you charge your Androids with, that you can use as well. And if you ever need to use this, that's where you're gonna plug this in anyways. So this is your emergency key. This is what you would plug it in. So it does come with this. So it's can be very useful actually if you ever run into any problems where it's just not working. Other than that, if this ever runs out of battery when you're using it, then yes, you would need a cable, first of all, to plug it in there, and then you have to charge it up somewhat. So you need a brick of some kind or power banks. Those do fine, just charging this for a second, and then you should be able to open it up. All right, so to set it up, just open it with any finger. Just keep holding onto it until the blue light starts flashing. Now it's flashing. So now just do it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you guys will see that green light flashing. So when the green light was flashing, you could just change to other fingers to register them. You would just press it 6 times, or just have the one and just wait until it stops flashing. From there, if you lock this up, you guys should be all good. So if you try this finger, it should give you a red light because that's not registered. It's only registered to this one. And there we go, it opened up. So let's just test it out one more time. Just a random finger. In many ways, nothing happens. If I do this one, it's gonna open up the lock. So that's how you guys can set that up. Now let's say you guys want to add more fingerprints to this. Just lock it up and then hold on to this until you see that blue light again. And the blue light has to flash, like so. Once it's flashing, press your other finger, or whichever other user. Could be another person, could be you, could be anybody really. And then it's all set up. So right now, as long as it stops flashing, we're good. Then you can close it up. So now it's supposed to open with this finger and with this hand as well. And that's it. So there we go, it's that easy. And if you try any other finger, it's not supposed to work. So it's supposed to give you that red light. So once again, if we go like this, you should read it. So I do recommend to register 2 fingerprints. That's just in case this hand you're doing something with it, holding a bag or something, and you want to open it up with this hand, you're going to be able to do that. And it can be any finger, it does not have to be this finger, it could be any one that you guys want. Now I'm just going to quickly show you the manual itself, because there's some things that it does tell you here. For example, if there's a red light while you're registering this thing, it's not working properly. So just try to reposition your finger. There's also add a user that I just taught you. There's delete users, which I don't see any of you doing. There's factory setup, and there's charging instructions, which is pretty easy. Just plug it in and you charge it up. Now, low power mode will be indicated by a red light flashing 3 times after locking. And when it's charging, the red light will be on the whole time. Fully charged, the light will come off. And as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.